If you use a Mac, chances are you have heard about Alfred and Raycast. Both apps are designed to speed up your workflow, launch apps faster, automate tasks, and basically replace Spotlight with something much more powerful. But which one is actually better in 2026? In this video, I'll compare Alfred and Raycast in terms of features, performance, customization, pricing, and overall usability to help you decide which one is the winner for your workflow. What are Alfred and Raycast? First, a quick overview. Alfred is one of the oldest and most popular productivity launchers for Mac. It is lightweight, fast, and highly customizable. Raycast is the newer competitor that has exploded in popularity thanks to its modern design, AI integrations, built in extensions, and collaboration tools. At their core, both apps let you launch apps, search files, run commands, create shortcuts, automate workflows, but the experience is very different. User interface and ease of use. When it comes to design, Raycast clearly feels more modern. The interface is cleaner, animations are smoother, and everything feels beginner friendly. You can install extensions directly from the built in store, and most features work immediately without much setup. Alfred, on the other hand, looks simpler and more old school, but many power users actually prefer that because it's lightweight and distraction free. The biggest difference is learning curve. Raycast is easier for beginners. Alfred takes more time to master, especially if you want to build advanced workflows. So if you want something that works right away, Raycast has the advantage. Features and automation. This is where things get interesting. Raycast comes packed with features out of the box: AI tools, clipboard history, window management, notes, calendar integrations, quick links, built in extension marketplace. It feels like an all in one productivity hub. Alfred is more focused on speed and automation. Its biggest strength is workflows. With Alfred workflows, you can create highly advanced automations for file management, text expansion, web searches, scripts, system commands, custom integrations. And because Alfred has been around longer, there is a huge library of community workflows available online. If you love customization and automation, Alfred is still one of the best tools available. But if you want lots of built in features without setup, Raycast wins here. Speed and performance. Both apps are extremely fast, but Alfred is generally lighter on system resources. It launches instantly and feels incredibly responsive even on older Macs. Raycast is also fast, but because it includes more features and background services, it can use more memory. For most users, the difference won't matter, but if you care about minimalism and performance, Alfred still has a slight edge. AI features. AI is one of Raycast's biggest selling points in 2026. Raycast includes built-in AI commands for writing, summarizing, coding help, brainstorming, text generation. And the AI experience is deeply integrated into the app. Alfred doesn't really focus on AI natively. You can add AI functionality through workflows and APIs, but it requires more setup. So if AI matters to you, Raycast is clearly ahead. Pricing. Alfred has a free version, but most advanced features require the Power Pack upgrade, which is a one time purchase. That is a huge advantage for users who hate subscriptions. Raycast also has a free plan, but some AI and premium features require a subscription. So Alfred is better for long term value. Raycast is better for users who want modern cloud features and AI tools. Which one should you choose? Here's the simple answer. Choose Alfred if you want maximum customization, if you love automation, if you prefer lightweight software, if you hate subscriptions, and if you are a power user. Choose Raycast if you want a modern interface, if you prefer built in tools, if you want AI features, if you like extension marketplaces, if you want something easier to use. For most casual users in 2026, Raycast will probably feel more exciting and convenient. But for hardcore productivity enthusiasts, Alfred is still incredibly powerful. Final verdict and conclusion. For beginners and modern workflows, Raycast is probably the better overall experience today. But for customization, speed, and automation depth, Alfred still remains one of the best productivity tools ever made for Mac. In the end, winner depends on your workflow. And honestly, both are miles better than the default Spotlight search on macOS. And that's all for this comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, and tell me down below which option will you go for, Alfred or Raycast, and why. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.